We're looking at a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek Limited, showing you the before pictures right now, how we price our vehicles, especially if they have a rebuilt title. It becomes a little tricky. We'll save people around 15 to 20%. CarGurus, we can actually put the VIN number in and it shows what other dealers are asking for that same car with a clean title. As you can see, it's $20,500 to $21,500. Right in between there would be around 21 grand. If we save people 20%, you're looking at an asking price of $17,000 on our lot. Of course, we'll stand behind that work. We put a used door on it and we replaced this quarter, did the paint work, and it's now currently available for sale. They asked me to help price these cars. I'll have a couple others give their opinion on their research. There's another website here called AutoTempest. This shows pricing and listings across the country from every website that dealers would advertise on. This shows a little bit higher, 21 grand. There's a couple low ones. We might even get aggressive and price this one just under 16,000 to move it quickly, and it'll be available for sale soon at our Middleville location.